Yeah, I feel like this, using AI for coding as a developer is the it seems like the real opportunity for me here because like you can take a lot of like the repeatable things that you do on a consistent basis, and you kind of know the workflow already. You can define that, and then maybe spend more time in other areas. You know.
Yeah, I would say that's my primary use of AI and coding is just generating the blocks that I know that I need. I know how to describe them. I know what the functionality needs to be. Um, and I know how to fix those things if they don't come out quite perfectly. But just typing out the lines or finding those blocks to just write the code, sometimes there might only be a dozen lines of code to do something simple. Other times you might have 20, 40, 100, 120 plus. It keeps going the more complex you get. And just the time saving on generation is big.
It's big. But again, the important part is you know what you're doing and you know you can look at the code and understand it. And that's really a big
Yep.
thing. I mean, especially considering a majority of our audience is marketers and communication folks and business folks. They're not going to have that level of understanding. And if you start getting thing AI to generate it, and then you go to your dev and it says, well, it almost does everything, but please take this. I mean, Chad, you know how we feel when we have to look at other people's code and work with it. It sometimes it can take twice as long as doing something yourself.
Yeah, it can certainly be a maze to track down functionality if you don't know where everything is. You didn't write it, so you don't know where the pieces are, and you have to reverse engineer it basically, to figure it out.